Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Paul from TechLink and this is my newest microphone, the Fifine K678. So in today's video I'm gonna take you through the basics, all the features, and we'll do some sound testing, and finally we'll give you my personal opinion regarding this product, so make sure to stick around till the end. And now the moment I've been waiting for, unboxing this in 3, 2, 1. Hold on, just a quick thing I would like to mention. I know they say you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but hey, this box looks really good and feels so great, which kind of makes me feel that the mic will have an amazing build quality. Inside the box you get the Fifine K678 microphone with an adjustable desktop stand. You get a premium USB cable, a mic thread, screw adapter, and the user manual guide. Onto the mic, the build feels like premium, being made of all metal, and it also looks great with this matte black and very minimalistic. Moving on to the features, on the front of the Fifine K678 you will find an indicator light. When it is green, it means that it is plugged into the computer, powered sufficiently and unmuted. When the light is red, it means it is muted. And this takes me to the next feature I want to talk about, this button right here. Which allows you to mute and unmute the microphone, and this I believe it's a great feature, especially if you are into podcasting or live streaming. You can easily take away the sound just by pressing this button. On the other side of it there is a microphone gain knob which will help you control the sensitivity of your microphone's capsule. To be more precise, this knob increases the amplitude of your microphone signal from mic level to line level, so the microphone signal is compatible with professional audio equipment, just like if you had a mic preamp. And right under the gain knob there is a headphone volume control, and at the bottom of this microphone you have a headphone jack, so you can hear yourself talking through the microphone, so you know exactly how you sound, which I believe it's a great add-on. And then you have an USB connection, and in the middle you will see some threading, and that is where you can mount this microphone onto a mic stand. If you want to do that, you have to remove it from the stand it comes with, which is really easy to do because the rubber grommets will hold the screws in place. And this again, I believe it's a very practical feature. The microphone's polar pattern is cardioid, which means that the area in front of the mic is the most sensitive, and as you go on the sides the picked up signal gets significantly lowered till it almost reaches a dead spot behind the microphone. Another thing that brought my attention to this microphone is the plug and play feature, which means you don't need any specific software or preamp. It is literally just plug and play, and you can use it on any system that runs on Windows 10 all the way down to Windows Vista. Not that anyone uses Windows Vista anymore. Or you can use it on your Mac. And now it's time for a quick sound test. I normally record my videos using an iPhone and the microphone from the earpods, so this test will be a comparison against that. I will read out loud a few phrases for you to get an idea of how this sounds. This will be raw, unedited audio recorded from a similar distance. This is how the Apple mic sounds. It snowed, rained and hailed the same morning. Her purse was full of useless trash. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. And this is how the K678 sounds. It snowed, rained and hailed the same morning. Her purse was full of useless trash. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. So to make a quick recap, I like the way it's been designed, that premium feeling that you get, and also I like the built-in preamp which saves you from buying additional gear if you need to amplify low-level signals. But the main selling point I believe is the ease of use. Is literally plug and play. You can use it on every PC or Mac with a simple USB port and whichever standard program you use for recording sounds. What I would have loved to get is maybe a pop filter together with the microphone, and I don't understand why they use a mini USB for the cable. The only flaw I could find is the lack of other polar patterns. However, it's not a deal breaker, since if we are to compare it with the more popular Blue Yeti, it costs around £50 less, so it's a compromise you can make. And then everyone has different needs. I mean, if you do podcasts with other guests, then yeah, you might want to look for something that has an omnidirectional pattern. Otherwise, if you need to record musical instruments, do a live streaming, or if the room you're recording from has bad acoustics, then the cardioid pattern is the perfect choice. Overall, this microphone left me with a really good impression, and I truly believe it's worth buying, as it probably offers the best value for money you can get. And that's it for today. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And like always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.